Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to talk about the best tips to fix severe weather notifications not working on iPhone. Apple Weather app has received a critical feature called severe weather notifications to help you keep an eye on inclement weather conditions with ease. When enabled, it ensures you are able to plan your journey smartly and also avoid falling prey to dangers like thunderstorms, lightning, heavy rain, and more. Unfortunately, this notable feature is ill-functioning for many iPhone users, but there is no need to worry about it, as I have found some workable tips to fix it. That said, let's dive right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, I would recommend you to make sure that the severe weather notifications feature is available in your country or region. Keep in mind that Apple has rolled out the severe weather alerts feature in only selected countries and regions, so be sure you are not faced with the unavailability issue. Have a look at the list of countries or regions where it is currently live: India, Japan, Canada, China, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, Thailand, the United States, and Europe. After that, I would suggest you to ensure that you have allowed the weather app to access your location without any limitations whatsoever. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap on Weather. After that, tap on Location, and then make sure that Always is selected. Next up, I would suggest you to make sure that you have allowed the Apple Weather app to send critical alerts. Be sure that you have allowed the Apple Weather app to deliver critical alerts. For those unfamiliar, critical notifications appear on the iPhone lock screen and play a sound even when a focus profile is active or your iPhone is muted. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then choose Notifications. After that, scroll down to find Weather and select it. Under the Always Deliver Immediately section, turn on the toggle for critical alerts. After that, I would suggest you to reboot your iPhone or iPad. Should the problem continues, I would recommend you to reboot your device. If the problem is due to a minor software glitch, the soft reset may be able to fix it. Next up, I would suggest you to Enable Severe Weather Notifications feature on your device. Another effective but pretty simple solution that you should try to troubleshoot this issue is to turn off and on the Severe Weather Notifications feature. To do so, head over to the Apple Weather app on your device, then tap on the triple lines icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the triple dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Notifications in the drop-down menu. Then turn off the toggle for severe weather. After that, restart your device. Once your device has rebooted, turn on severe weather. Then make sure to tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action. After that, I would suggest you to delete and reinstall the Apple Weather app. A fresh reinstallation has got the knack for fixing app-related issues, therefore do not miss out on this one either. Simply touch and hold onto the Apple Weather app icon. Then select Remove App in the menu. After that, tap on Delete App and then confirm the action. After that, open the App Store app, then find the Apple Weather app and reinstall it as usual. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your iPhone or iPad. If none of the tips has brought the severe weather alerts feature back on track, go for the software update. I suspect the issue could be due to a rare bug. To get it done, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update. And finally, download and install the latest iteration of iOS or iPadOS as usual. That's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix severe weather notifications not working on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem. Now that you have sorted out the issue, let me know the trick that has worked for you, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great day. Bye-bye.